Tokyo Rumba acting up. Horses Aurea Buwayang Bato. Best to begin axis deviation in double fortune is Tokyo Rumba. Axis deviation on the outside. Tokyo Rumba is running by the left. Red Robin, Great Connection comes next on the outside. Buwayang Bato. Polite Bell comes next. Advance Party with Tokyo Rumba by about 2 lengths. Axis Deviation still in second. Great Connection in third. Red Robin, Polite Bell, Buwayang Bato, Advance Party, and trailing the group is Metal Srenga. And it's still Tokyo Rumba. Axis Deviation still in second. And in third, Polite Bell. Down or inside, Great Connection, Red Robin, Buwayang Bato, Advance Party, and Metal Srenga. And it's still Tokyo Rumba. Axis Deviation on the outside, Polite Bell. Then followed by Great Connection, Buwayang Bato as the field turns Moroma. Tokyo Rumba, Axis Deviation, Polite Bell. Down or inside is Great Connection. It's now Great Connection, Axis Deviation, Polite Bell on the outside. Great Connection, Axis Deviation, Polite Bell on the other outside. Axis Deviation, down or inside, Great Connection. Metal's rank in the middle portion. And finally, it's going to be close. Metal's rank, Buwayang Bato, Polite Bell.
Pero pwesto. Sige, panoorin na natin agad yung ating slow-mo replay. Dito pagsapit ang home stretch, 5 na nasa unahan. That is number 1, Great Connection, Tabimbala. Papade out na si Tokyo Rumba na siyang nagdikta ng pacing ng ating race number 2. Nandiyan din Axis Deviation at nasa labas. Yung number 4 na si Polite Bell, katabi niya si Buwayang Batot. Nandiyan na from last to first, from last. Nanggaling ito number 3, Metal Strength under John Alvin Guse, at dyan sa may last 100-meter mark, still ahead, Axis Deviation against number 1, Great Connection. Ito na, nagpaparimati na, bagay nakaungus na nga dyan si Metal Strength against number 4, Polite Bell and Buwayang Bato. At yan, dahan-dahan na yan, hanggang sa pagsapit ang finish line. 3 yan, Metal Strength sa gitna, Polite Bell, kalabas-labasan, Buwayang Bato. Tignan nyo ba yung karerista? And here's the finish line. Alright? Tapos, dikit din tayo sa segundo kung sakasakali. Tapos sa is, papang-4. Klaro naman. Axis Deviation.